Hello Chris, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for a 2016 Yamaha R1, kilometers 17,792 kilometers, and the price is 13,888 plus GST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, comes with a front and rear brand new, and also has extra accessories that the previous customer put on the bike, which is the grip of the tank, crown protector, lever, and also a bubble windshield cover. Sliders, RNG slider, and some exhaust. And also he put under the tail, they put a Yoshimura key eliminator and an extra accessories spool to storage front and rear. This motorcycle is available, as I said to you. If you want to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.